Welcome student. The next topic in chapter first, that is linear equation in two variable, is equation reducible to linear equation in two variable. In this video we will discuss or we will learn this method, that is how we can solve the equation that are not linear equation, but we can convert them into the linear form by proper substitution. मीन्स असे उदाहरण सोडवायचे जे लिनियर इक्वेशन तर नाही आहेत पण जे लिनियरमध्ये कन्वर्ट करता येतात बाय प्रॉपर सबस्टिट्यूशन. अँड फॉर दॅट or on this topic in textbook there is a one practice set, that is practice set 1.4. तर practice set 1.4 यामधलेच एक्झाम्पल मी डायरेक्टली घेणार, ज्यामध्ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 2/x plus 3/y is equal to 15. This is the first equation. Then 8/x plus 5/y is equal to 77. This is the second equation. Now we have to solve this equation. The method that we will use in this example is the same that we already learned in class 9, that is the method of elimination by equating coefficient. But to apply this equation, or sorry, to apply this method, we have to convert these two equation in linear form. Then how we can convert them in linear form? Firstly, consider the first equation, 2/x plus 3/y is equal to 15. Here x, variable x is in denominator, here variable y is also in denominator. Means if we take this x to the numerator, then its index become negative. Here is also y, index of y will become negative. And as we studied earlier in first video, that for linear equation the degree of equation must be 1, but in this case the degree of variable is -1, means these are not linear equation, first and also second. Then how can we convert them in linear form? For that purpose we have to substitute another variable for the given variable or for the given term. Here let us consider the first term. How we can write this first term, 2/x. We can write it as this numerator is separated 2 and this x in denominator can be written as 1/x. Both terms have same meaning. 2/x means 2 into 1/x, and for this 1/x we have to put another variable, let's say a. Similarly, second term is 3/y. We can express this term as 3 into 1/y, and in this case also we can put another variable for this 1/y, and let's say b. And by putting this, or by this substitution, we can convert this equation into the linear form. Now first step is, these type of the equations are also solved in certain steps, and we have to remember these steps. The first step is writing the given equation. Means given equation are, first equation is 2/x plus 3/y is equal to 15, and second equation is 8/x plus 5/y is equal to 77. These are two given equations. Then there is one correction. In first equation, 2/x, in between these two there is a minus sign. By mistake I take positive. Let us correct first, minus. Then the second step is we have to decide for what term we have to do substitution. Means in this type of the equation we will substitute another variable for 1/x and 1/y. Then write, substitute or put 1/x equal to a and 1/y equal to b. Then after substitution we will get a linear equation. Let us say, how will we get a linear equation? This 2x means, sorry, 2 upon x means 2 into 1 upon x. For this 1 upon x, we will put another variable a, means this term become 2 into 1 by x means 2 into a, that is 2a. Similarly, second term is 3 upon y, means 3 into 1 upon y. For this 1 upon y, we will put another variable, that is b, means term become 3b. This equation will become, therefore the first equation become 2 into 1 upon x means 2 into 1 upon x is a, therefore 2 into a, that is 2a, minus 3 into b is equal to 15, first equation number 1. And second equation will become 8 into 1 by x means 8a plus 5 into 1 by y means 5b is equal to 77. This is equation number 2. Now then observe this new equation. You will find that these are the linear equation. In these two equation there are two variable with degree 1, means these are linear equation in two variables, and we can solve such type of the equation by using the method that we already seen. To solve these two equation, we have to equate the coefficient of one of the variable. We can equate the coefficient of a or coefficient of b. To equate the coefficient of a, in first equation is 2, in second is 8. 2 8 LCM is 2 8 चा LCM आहे 8. आणि जर आपल्याला याचे कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल करायचे असेल तर दोन्हीचा कोएफिशिएंट 8 आणावा लागेल. इथं 8 आहे, इथं 8 आणण्यासाठी 4 ने गुणावं लागेल, तेव्हा दोन्हीचे कोएफिशिएंट काय येतील, सेम. तर ठीक आहे, मल्टिप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 1 by 4. Let us multiply equation 1 by 4. What will we get? Multiply each term by 4. 4 into 2a means 8a minus 4 into 3 12 into b, and 15 4s are 60. This is the equation 3. Now we will get the two equation in which coefficient of a are same. Equation 1 is converted into equation 3. This means we have to eliminate this equation 1. म्हणजेच इक्वेशन 1चं काम संपलं. आता इक्वेशन 2 आणि इक्वेशन 3चाच विचार करायचा. इथं 8 आहे, इथं 8a आहे. If we add these two equation, then 8a plus 8a becomes 16a, means term doesn't get cancelled. We have to cancel this term containing variable a, and for that purpose we have to subtract equation 3 from 2 or 2 from 3. Therefore subtract equation 3 from 2. इक्वेशन 3 ला 2 मधून सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करतो. 2 मधून सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करायचं म्हणजेच आपल्याला लिहावं लागेल की इक्वेशन 2 अगोदर फ्रॉम 2. इक्वेशन 2 इज 8a plus 5b is equal to 77 minus equation 3 is 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. Let us subtract these two equation. Because of this negative signs, this minus multiply each term of the second equation, and that is why the sign of each term get changed. Plus 8a become minus, minus 12b become plus, and this become minus. 8a minus 8a get cancelled. 5b plus 12b become 17b. 5 plus 12 is 17. Similarly, 77 minus 16 is 17. Now, by solving this simple equation in linear equation in one variable, we will get the value of b. Let us calculate the value of b firstly. Therefore, b will become, b is equal to this 17 in multiplication, transform it into RHS. It will divide the 17 in RHS, means B will become 17 divided by 17. Therefore B will become, value of B is 1. We will get the value of B. Means the two linear equation that we have obtained by substitutions, which contain the variable A and B, we already found the value of B. Then we have to put this value of B in any one of the equation. We can put this B or value of B in equation 1, 2 or equation 3. I will put this in equation 1. Put B equal to 1 in equation 1. Put करा B ची value 1 equation 1 मध्ये, तर we will get value of A, that is 2A minus 3B means 3 into 1 is equal to 15. 2A is equal to 15 minus 3. 3 into 1 is 3 and minus 3 goes to RHS, become plus 3. Means 2A is equal to 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3 is 18. A is 18 upon 2 means A is 9. In this way we also calculate the value of A. We get both values A and B, but the given equations contain the variable x, y, means we have to find the value of x, y, not A, B. जास्तीत जास्त किंवा भरपूर मुलं अशा चुका करतात की सबस्टिट्यूशन करतात, नवीन व्हेरिएबलच्या व्हॅल्यू काढतात, जसं मी काढले A आणि B, आणि इथंच उदाहरण सोडून देतात. तर हे सोल्युशन नाही आहे, हे इक्वेशनचं सोल्युशन नाही. कारण काय? कारण आपल्याला दिलेलं इक्वेशन एक्स वाय मधलं आहे, आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू एक्स वायच्या काढायच्या, ए आणि बीच्या नाही. देअरफॉर रिसबस्टिट्यूटिंग और रिपुटिंग काय करावं लागेल पहा, रिपुटिंग और रिसबस्टिट्यूटिंग. रिपुटिंग करा. ए इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन एक्स इक्वल टू ए ठेवलं होतं, आता उलट ए इक्वल टू ठेवायचं 1 अपॉन एक्स and b equal to 1 upon y. Then what will happen? A equal to 1 by x means 1 upon x equal to a ची व्हॅल्यू काय काढली आपण 9 and 1 upon y is equal to b ची व्हॅल्यू 1. इन्व्हर्टेंडो करा. 1 upon x चा इन्व्हर्टेंडो x, तर 9 चा इन्व्हर्टेंडो येईल 1 upon 9 and 1 upon y चा इन्व्हर्टेंडो y 1 upon 1 1च येईल, 1 चा इन्व्हर्स 1च असतो. तर इन दिस वे we get a solution of equation, means solution of equation is x equal to 1 upon 9 and y equal to 1. हे आहे करेक्ट आन्सर. आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू काढायच्या होत्या x आणि y च्या. ठीक आहे. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा आणि तुमच्या ज्या काही अडचणी आहेत त्या कमेंटमध्ये लिहित जा. ठीक आहे. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईबसुद्धा करा. नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण उरलेले 3 क्वेश्चन घेणार आहोत. ठीक आहे.